Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. Guys, I don't even know what to say right now. Like, I'm super excited about this item. I always say I'm super excited because I am super excited when I get a bag that I've been eyeing for a while and it's finally part of my collection. Anyway, guys, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel already, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to like and comment on this video. All right, guys. To my returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you for the continuous support, and let's get into this unboxing. All right, guys. So like I stated, I'm super excited. Always super excited when I get a new handbag to my collection. So guys, I'm not sure if you guys are gonna. You probably. I don't think you guys will guess what's in this bag. Okay, because this is a brand. It's not a How do I explain this brand before I get into the unboxing? I did open. If you guys have been riding with me from the beginning, I did open a bag from this company in one of my very first videos. Okay, guys. So I'll tell you guys the story time behind that bag, and then once I open this, hopefully, I'm trying to open it because on the other side. Okay, guys, let's see if it's finally open. Yes, guys. So yeah, guys, I did get another bag from Aspinal of London. Guys, I love me some Aspinal of London. Okay, guys, I just think, let me just get this big old box out the way. Sorry, guys. Oh, sorry. All right, guys. So I did get an item from Aspinal of London, guys. I'm so super excited about this. Before any further ado, you guys want to get into seeing what I picked up from Aspinal of London? All right, guys. So let's get this box open. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So this time, well, the first time, did I get it from? No, I didn't get it from Aspinal itself directly. I actually got it from Earl's. But this one I actually picked up from the company itself. I'm not sure what's going on with the dust bag with this little stain right here. Hopefully nothing is wrong with my bag. So without any further ado, let's get into this unboxing. 3, 2, 1. Let's see if there's any other documents. So, wow, I don't know if it's in the box, like my receipts or anything. So I did pick up their trunk, guys. OMG, this is so pretty. Ah! This is beautiful. Oh my God. Okay, I just want to make sure there was nothing there. All right. So, just a quick story time. I did pick up the trunk from them again. The first time I ordered this trunk, I did unbox it on my video. It was like a green trunk. I think it was like probably like either my third or fourth video. Anyway, guys, so I did pick up that bag from Arrow, ARROD from London. Okay, they had a great sale on it, so I picked it up. It came, unboxed it, super excited because one thing, I love trunk bags. Like, I just think they're just so beautiful, so classy, right, guys? So I did pick it up from Arrow, but when it came, after I unboxed it, I'm not sure even if I noticed I think I probably noticed it if you look on that video, that it had like a scratch on the back, or like a mark on the back. So after I unboxed it, I looked at it, and the mark was bigger than what it showed on the screen, and it was actually a couple of mark. So what I ended up having to do, I actually did return that item back to Arrow. And I was waiting because I was like literally like looking at the Aspinall of London's website to see when when these trunks were going to go on sale. So they usually have like occasional sales where they put their bag on the outlet portion of their website. Because this trunk usually, especially this one, I think this retail for like maybe 800 or 900 and something, because it has the lion. They have the regular one, which come with like the crack embossed leather, which is one of the ones that I picked up earlier. It was in a green, like a nice, beautiful greenish bluish color. I was looking for that again. But anyway, so they this one actually retail for more, but the regular trunk retail around $700. But Earl was having a sale, and so I picked it up for like, it was like three something. So anyway, I've been stalking the Aspinal of London website to see if they got another trunk. And the thing is that they usually put these trunks, like the different design, the different colors, they usually put it on the website. So there was another one, there was a couple of them that was on there when prior, and I was like, I don't like the color, I might not like the color of it, so I'm like, I'm just gonna wait. So then this one actually came on the outlet side of their website, and I was like, this is it. I'm not really, I like, how can I describe it? I'm not really a crop embossed type of person. Like, if you see my collection, I probably might have maybe one or two croc embossed. I don't really care for it. But when this one came, this is, guys, this is fully leather. Like, and then the lion, um, if some of you guys might not know, I am a Leo, okay? August 1st is my birthday. I am a Leo. So having this lion on the front, I was like, oh my God, this is it. So anyway, when I saw this, I was like, yeah, this is the one. I have to get this one. And I just love the colorway because you can literally, this bag, you can use it all year round. These colors are so beautiful. So these colors can work for fall. It can work for summer because it has the cream on there. It can work all year round. All right, guys. So I was like, oh my God, this is so stinking beautiful. And guess what? Instead of I think this is like 900. I think that's what it retail for. It came down to like 300 and something dollars. So including tax and everything, I didn't even pay reach $400. Okay, guys, and that's including duty, tax, and everything. I didn't pay reach 400 for this beauty right here, guys. Like, isn't this so stinking cute, guys? Like the Aspinall, guys, when I'm telling you, the Aspinall of London, their trunks is so beautiful. I'm telling you, their trunks is so beautiful. Okay, guys, like I am in love with this trunk. I just think it's so beautiful. It's so classy. Oh my God, look at the opening. The opening is like a, you hear that sound, guys? You hear it? Look at it, pops open, and I'm like, oh my God, look at, guys, look at the inside. I love this trunk, and it does come with adjustable and a removable strap. Guys, look at the inside. It has the one zipper right here, and then it has the thing. It says Aspinall. Yeah, Aspinall of London on the zipper, and then it has a little little pocket right here. But don't this look like a light, like a really cute like curtain? Let's see what's in here, guys. I'm so super excited about this bag. Like, I've been, yeah. All right, so let's see. It just tell you. I think this is like just about caring. Oh, okay, so it's just telling you how you care for the bag and the guarantee, guys. This bag, classy, just classy, guys. Like, just, guys, look at this trunk. Oh my God, like I don't even know what to say. Yeah, so this is definitely not going back. It looks so good. There is no blemish or anything on there, no mark on here. And then you just, guys, you just clasped me back right there in this clothes. So I just wanted to do this unboxing, kind of give you guys a little story on how I got this bag for a great price. As you guys know, I love luxury, but on a budget. This bag is so beautiful, guys. This detail got me. Like, this lion detail was like, oh yeah, you are coming home with me and you are going to be part of my collection. So guys, I am so super excited. I'm so super excited about this bag. Oh my God, guys, like this bag is so stinking cute. This bag is so stinking cute. Oh my God, guys, look at this. Look at this bag. Let me just give it all its glory. Look at that. Look at that, guys. All its glory. And then it has the Aspinal of London right here on the clasp. And then it has the little handle. If I do not want to hold it crossbody, I can just hold it by the handle, guys. And then and it opens up. Ah, so cute. And then it locks. Oh. Guys, I'm so excited about this. Anyway, so this is the video today of me unboxing this beauty right here, which is about to be my new beauty on the shelf that I can use when I want to. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.